Tiniyak ng Philippine Air Force ang kanilang kahandaang magpalipad ng air asset sa panatag Siol sakaling ipag-utos ito ng national government. Ayon sa opisyal ng tagapagsalita ng Hukbong Panghimpapawid ng Pilipinas, Lieutenant Colonel Miguel Ernesto Ocol, hindi pa sila napapadalhan ng direktiba para tumugon sa nangyaring stand-off sa panatag Siol.
Now, we have other air assets that we can use should there be a directive that we will utilize this for that purpose.
Sa ngayon, ayon kay Ocol, nasa kamay ng lead agency ang issue ng panatag Siol stand-off, partikular na ang Department of Foreign Affairs at Department of National Defense.
Actually po sir, your Air Force is always on standby and ready to provide for air assets, no? Aircraft, as the case may be, if ever there would be a directive. As of now, the lead agencies that are tasked to resolve the issues is, well, of course, the Department of Foreign Affairs and, of course, the Department of National Defense at that level.
Tiniyak naman ni Ocol na mga bagong helicopters ngayon ay magagamit na sa mga disaster response operations.
The SOCOLs or the W3A combat utility helicopters has since been identified not as combat utility helicopters intended initially for that purpose, but mas maganda siya. The senior leaders have decided to shift it to disaster response. Okay? So mapupunta siya sa ating search and rescue group, sa 505th Search and Rescue Group. So right now as we speak, nag-academics na po mga piloto natin doon in order for us na tamang-tama, the rainy season is coming in. At least magamit na natin yung first 4 of the 8 SOCOLs.
Ang paliwanag ni Colonel Miguel Ernesto Ocol sa Villamor Air Base sa Pasay City, RH911 Bing Pormento, naglilingkod sa pagbabalita.